Hello viewers, today in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can delete the music from your iOS device. For this you have to open the iPhone setting on the menu bar here. You can slide down, click on general, slide down, and you can see here iPhone storage, click on it. Here you can see different icons and applications. You can select your music, you can go down, click anyone of it. Here you can select anyone you want to delete. Click on edit, click here and then simply delete. That's how you delete a music.